I think that turned out really nice, as did the walnut body that, while everything else was drying today, I decided to cut out and get it set up for yet another build. I'm thinking that this one will probably be a full scale. And this, of course, will also have some resin poured in it because there are a lot of cracks and valleys and crevices and all sorts of interest points here that we can fill full of resin. And indeed, we shall. This one will just be a nice solid, and I do mean solid, walnut. Well, that's it for now. That's my update for the Great Guitar Build-Off as of today, the 29th of August. JJ saying stay upright and breathing and creating. See you later.